Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have a clean and declutter with me. This video is only going to be in our homeschool room, and this was right after Christmas break, right before we needed to get started back on our school. And I went down there and I saw this place was a mess, so I decided to make a cleaning video for you guys. So I hope you enjoy. So to start off, I'm going to clean up this mess that's on our main table in this room. This is actually called a craft table. A friend gave it to me several years ago. And anyway, so my daughters and I had done a little bit of painting during the Christmas break, and we had quite a mess, so I needed to clean that up. And my husband had printed out some papers because he wants to build his own guitar, so that's what those papers are that I'm also going through. And I was just putting them away so that he could cut them out whenever he wanted. He had already started to cut one or two of them out. So anyway, I am just decluttering and throwing away a lot of papers. We also had family come over twice during the Christmas holidays, and I have nieces and nephews, and my nieces came down and did a lot of coloring and drawing and cutting out with my daughters. So there were little bitty pieces of paper everywhere, and you'll see me picking those up in a little bit. But right now I'm going to let the music play, and I hope you enjoy.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air, so let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it, afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it, afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no, yeah. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day.
So if you are new here, then welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to click on this video. I truly appreciate it. It helps me out so much. I want to introduce myself. My name is Katie, and here on my channel, I like to do a lot of cleaning videos. I plan on doing more DIYs, which will be mostly me painting furniture and things such as that. I do plan on painting my kitchen cabinets very soon. I cannot wait to do that. Also, I am a stay-at-home homeschooling mom to 4 children, ages 13 almost. That's my only boy. And then I have a 9-year-old daughter, a 5-year-old daughter, and a 4-year-old daughter, and we have lots of fun. I'm very busy, and I hope that you decide to join me here on my channel. I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me, and I hope that you're enjoying this video. If you are, then please give this video a thumbs up, especially if it's giving you some cleaning motivation.
Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Watching me when we're with our friends. There's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need
So this little spot that I'm cleaning off right now is my little station. It's where I keep my homeschool planner and my markers, pens, and things such as that. I have a different colored ink pen for each child, and also that's all of their folders for whenever they are finished with their worksheets or anything like that. If I have them doing anything on notebook paper and they rip it out of the notebook, then they put it in one of those folders. And that rose gold triangular file folder holder that you saw, I did order that from Amazon. And a couple of the other things that I have, I ordered from Amazon, like my stapler and my hole puncher and things such as that. So if you're interested, I will link those down below. Just so you guys know where I did get some of my stuff. And a lot of my posters also came from the Dollar Tree. Actually, I think almost every single one of them did except for one. And the calendar that you'll see me working on in just a minute, I also ordered it off of Amazon as well.
Don't go find a way from all this. I know there's a brighter day for you. Tell me, what are you saying? What game are we playing? I want us to be for real now, real now. Oh, 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 so wait, while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. Wait while take your time. Wait while take your time. Wait while take your time. Darling, baby, take your time.
And that's all for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that it gave you some cleaning motivation. It doesn't look fabulous, but it looks 100% better to me. It'll be so much easier for us to get our schoolwork done because that mess that was at the beginning of the video was just a total disaster to me. So now we will start fresh for the new year, and I'm really excited to get back in there and get back into a routine. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. I would appreciate it. I hope you all have a lovely and blessed day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.